This video was created to share tips for being a great employee in a District Office of Transition Services work-based learning position. But first, congratulations. You have been selected to participate in a DOTS work-based learning program, and that is why you're watching this video. So this is something to be very, very proud of. So congratulations. Before your first day of work, there are a few things that you should know. The first is, who is your transition teacher? So your transition teacher is the person that likely helped explain the work-based learning program to you, and he or she helped you complete the work-based learning paperwork. This person will be a great help to you once you get started working. You should know your transition teacher's name, where to find him or her, and how to contact should you have questions. You may pause this video to take a minute to write down their contact information. Next, where will you be completing your work-based learning program hours? What is the name of the business? Where is it located? What's the manager's name? What's the phone number of the business? You may pause this video to write down this information. Third, what will you be doing when you're at work? What are your job duties? If you are unsure about what these might be, ask your transition teacher. Last, what is your schedule? You should know the start and end times for each of the days that you will be working. Write this schedule down, and if you have a phone, save it, store it, write it on a Post-it note, do whatever you need to do to remember your work schedule. Got it? So now you may be wondering what you should be thinking about so that you can be the best employee you can be. So here is a list of 8 tips for how to be a great employee in a DOTS work-based learning program. Number 1, be reliable. That means being someone that your work site can count on. You show up when you say you're going to be there, and you're on time. Number 2, you follow the rules specific to your work site. Are there rules for a uniform, rules about using your phone, breaks, etc.? Number 3, you try your best. You show your work site that you want to do well and that you are there to help. Number 4, this statement. Supervisors love hearing this. What would you like me to do next? So let's say you finish a task, and instead of standing around waiting for your supervisor to tell you what to do next, you could say, what would you like me to do next? This shows that you are eager and willing to help. Number 5, another statement. This would be used if you make a mistake and you want to admit to the mistake. I made a mistake, let me fix it. This shows you owning up to your mistake and then attempting to make it right. Number 6, turn in your timesheets. Working in our work-based learning program means that you must keep track of your start and end times for the days that you work. This is done on a timesheet from your transition teacher. These timesheets are like gold because if you use these as a way to keep track of the hours that you work, and then we can issue your paycheck based on it. So keep your timesheet in a safe place in your student worksite folder that's kept at the worksite, and then turn them into your transition teacher when they are due. Ask your transition teacher for help on this if you are not sure. Number 7, next, keep in touch. Your transition teacher is here to help support you through the DOTS work program. Check in with us, ask questions, and know that you're not alone, and we want you to succeed and do well in your work experience. Number 8, ask questions. It's okay to not know everything. If your worksite asks you to do something and you're not sure what they mean, just ask. So with the information from this video and a great attitude, we wish you well in your DOTS work-based learning experience. Thank you.